What in all this room?
Oh,
We can sleep here.
There are no beds.
We can say sit up.
Of course. Horses do it.
Oh, it says sleep up, guys.
Yeah. Okay, how? So I kind of...
Nay, not good without horses. We need to lie down.
I've got an idea. Can you press the horizontal button on your remote?
That's not horizontal, isn't it?
No, that's the upside down button. Nobody sleeps upside down.
Bats sleep upside down.
Do they? Yeah. Oh.
You can do it now.
No, we're not bats. We're not bats. What? We're not bats. You're right, we're not bats.
Could you press the side button now?
Yeah, make us sideways. Oh, that's better. Oh, it's like sleeping on air. Huh? What's that sound?
Sasa snoring.
Could be snoring.
Oh, could you press the finger button? I am out.
Oh.
Thank you. That's a sorry.
Snorer is there.
What the?
Excuse me, sir. Yes, what is it?
Well, we cannot sleep over here.
You can't sleep in here
Why?
because this is the snoring room.
The snoring room? Oh, come on. Why did you get...
Now this is getting ridiculous. We don't need a snoring room, we need a sleeping room.
Yep, we need beds, and we need beds now. Please press the get out of here button on imaginary mode.
Oh, that's the